Hey, John Higgins here with Mortgage One. Happy Monday. I hope all the dads out there had a great day yesterday. Just a quick market update. We had some big news from the Federal Reserve this past Wednesday. So kind of a mini blockbuster, I guess you'd call it. The market was expecting probably a 0.5 point move by the Fed. There was some chatter going into that meeting that it could be as high as 1%, and it came in at 0.75%, which really is one of the largest moves by the Federal Reserve over the last 20 years. And contrary to what people think, these moves by the Fed, they are not what is moving the mortgage interest rate environment. It's more of inflation. So interestingly, we saw after that blockbuster announcement, interest rates actually on the mortgages moved down just a bit. So we've hit some key thresholds, maybe we'll call them resistance, with regard to our interest rate environment. So the 10-year Treasury has gone as high as 3.5%. These are some numbers we haven't seen since maybe 2008. And we continue to bounce lower off those. So as long as that number holds, we're kind of hopeful that interest rates maybe have made a peak here. We burst through that 3% and 3.25% on the 10-year, but that 3.5 level seems to be holding. If we get above that, who knows? Rates could really get out of control. But at the moment, everything's in pretty good shape. I know the market out there is still challenging. So with these increases in interest rates, it's taken a few people maybe out of the price range that they're looking at. We're looking at, say somebody going from a $200,000 mortgage to a $400,000 mortgage on a new purchase, maybe a move up. That increase in interest rates and then the extra debt that they're taking on that new mortgage now is almost $1,000 a month higher than it was just maybe 6 months ago. So some really, depressing numbers on demand. So we're starting to see demand come down to meet the supply, and our goal probably would have liked to see supply increase to meet demand, but in this market, it looks like the demand is coming down. So if you have anybody out there that you pre-qualified or pre-approved at the beginning of the year, you're going to want to get those pre-approvals brushed up. If there's anything that we can do to help you, give us a call. Have a great day.